Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.
What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you where to locate and how to replace your fuel filter on the 88 to 98 Chevy and GMC CK series trucks and SUVs. Now, your truck being a standard cab, extended cab, crew cab, or SUV. They have 3 lines running from the tank. Now, I'm just using colors to represent the different lines. Blue is your vape line running from your tank to your vape canister, or charcoal box as many call it. Black is the return line, which is a 2-piece line. Red is your send line, which is where the inline filter goes. From tank to filter, from filter to motor. This here is a Sierra K1500 extended cab, driver's side. Now here's the frame rail. Midway of the door area is where your fuel filter is located. Here's your filter, top of the frame, bottom of the frame, front of the truck, rear of the truck. Now when you go to put the wrenches on to remove the filter, these two do not turn. Only the line turns. Now I change my filter regularly and recently put all brand new fuel lines, along with a brand new fuel tank and sending unit. So if your stuff is all original, use some PB Blaster. Because if you break the line, trust me, they ain't cheap. Now I'm using a Crescent wrench and a 17mm wrench. If your 17 doesn't work, try an 11/16. To loosen it, the rear side push up on the wrench towards the body of the truck. Front side pull down on the wrench towards the ground. Now unscrew the sleeves and slide each one back. Pull the lines out. You will lose some gas, so have a small can ready. Then pull the filter out, or put the lines up. There is a right way and a wrong way to put this filter in, because it only flows properly one way. You will see one end says out. Now this goes on the send line, so the out is facing the front of the vehicle, so the gas can flow properly through the system. If you've never done this before, take a picture before disassembling it, or refer back to this video. Now, with your lines up, push the filter back in its bracket. Push the lines all the way in, thread them up, tighten them down, and you're done. So if you have hard starts, no starts, random misfires, rough idling, stalling, poor engine performance, the fuel filter could be one of your issues.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.